How to show battery health condition on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings, on left side, go to Battery. In Battery, okay, you can see here the battery health. And the battery health is normal. Okay, to show the battery health condition, okay, you'll have to do is click the eye icon on the right side and the pop-up are shown. Now you can see the battery condition, the maximum capacity, and the optimized battery charging. And okay, the battery condition is set into normal. So Mac battery, like all rechargeable battery, are consumable components that become less effective as they age. And the maximum capacity is 100%. So this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hour or usage between charges. And also you can turn off or on the optimized battery charging. So if this turn on, to reduce the battery aging, your Mac learn from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it on battery. And you can disable or turn off this by switching off the switch button on the right side and click the turn off. So if you want to turn on again, okay, you can turn on the switch button on the right side and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully showed the battery health condition on MacBook Air.